Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by today's title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this viral sleek ponytail. Now I know it's looking like I went to the salon, but I promise y'all I didn't. I did this right here in my home, and we're going to go ahead and get into this because y'all, this is super sleek, super neat, and just perfect. So let's just go ahead and get into this. I don't want to hold y'all up. So as y'all can see, I'm working with some fresh hair. My hair is clean. So let's get into this. And I know y'all probably like, girl, what the hell happened to your hair? It's been a minute since I've been on here, and y'all, I did a big chop again. Y'all, this is like my 30th millionth big chop. I know y'all tired of me because I'm tired too. Like, I just need to, I don't know what I need to do. I just need to leave my hair alone. But back to the video, because I know y'all probably gonna have questions because it's been a minute since I done did my hair on here. And y'all been like, Eva, give us a hairstyle. So why not show y'all how to achieve this super viral ponytail? So I'm gonna go ahead and start molding my hair. So an easy way that I do my hair is that I go ahead and mold it into the ponytail where I want to put it, and then I'm gonna go in with gels and all that stuff. So basically what I do is just mold the ponytail, as you guys can see. So it's nothing in my hair right now. This is just a ponytail. It's giving itsy bitsy spider went up the water fountain. Like, y'all, my ponytail is so little. But I'm gonna go in with some Eco, and I'm just going to put that all around my hair. Now, I know a lot of people be like, Eco don't work on their hair. But to me, Eco works. I always start off with a water-based gel just to get the hair to where it needs to be. Like, y'all see. Y'all are going to see very soon. Also, if y'all did not know, this video is sponsored by Clip Hair. And y'all, when I tell y'all they sent me so many goodies, like, we're going to get into that in the video. But I'm going to do with my braid gel. I know you're probably like, girl, why are you using braid gel? Y'all gonna see why braid gel get the hair super sleek. I don't know what's in it, but I use it for my edges. I use it to sleek my ponytails. I use it for everything but braids. So there y'all go. I just put y'all on. Please don't go buy it all out. And then when I'm trying to go to the hair store, I can't find it. Like, what? This is what I've been using forever to sleek my ponytails, and it looks good. It doesn't leave a white cast or anything like that. So this is just what I'm doing basically to sleek, because I know a lot of people been asking me, how do you get your hair sleek without having a curl pattern show? Honestly, you got to use a good pomade, y'all. I used to do my hair in sections, but since it's so little now, I don't have to do it in sections anymore because I done cut it. So right here, I'm going in with my hair ties, and I'm going to be going in with like 3 or 4. So I'm going to go in with like 2 hair ties, I believe, and this rubber band. So you're going to need some rubber bands, because the rubber bands is what's going to make the ponytail stay. And y'all, believe it or not, my head does not hurt, so that is a good thing. Because who wants to do ponytails and their head is hurting? So you're going to go in with a ponytail, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to go in with a hair tie, which I'm going to show y'all after I finish brushing it. Because I like to make sure my stuff is super sleek. I love when my hair looks like I went to the salon and I didn't. Because y'all, I don't know why y'all be paying $80 for a ponytail when y'all could just buy the hair. But we're going to get into the hair, because I ain't show y'all the hair yet. But we're going to get into the hair and how, how it's going to look. Because I didn't need no glue, no sewing, no nothing. I just needed my little ponytail that's Velcro. And I definitely got the style y'all be getting and paying $80 for it. And I did it at home. So I'm going in with another ribbon right here, you guys. And this is just basically going to go around that. And if you guys are hearing my dog snore, I really apologize, y'all. I don't know. He's sleeping like he paid the bills, and he don't pay not one bill. He just live off me. Like, must be nice, right? But this is just basically how it looks, y'all. Super sleek, as you guys can see. I really take pride in sleeking my hair. If y'all want to know a trick or a little secret, go in with an edge brush. Now, this is the stuff they sent me. All this stuff came with clipping, and y'all, a little go a long way. Do not be like me, because I sprayed so much, and I was looking like, hold on. This a lot. I sprayed too much. I should have sprayed a little bit. And y'all, that stuff smells so good. And if you want to just purchase that stuff and the heat protectant and all that stuff, you can just go on their website. I'll have it linked down below. But now I'm finna show y'all how to get the ponytail on real quick. So this is what I'm doing to my little ponytail. I'm going through and rebanding it so all my hair will be together. Basically, I don't know. This is just easier for me. You don't have to do this, but this is just what I'm going to do. So, and 9 to the 10, if you watch this as a tutorial, you're going to do it too, because you want to know how to sleek your hair. So this is basically what I'm doing. And right now I'm just going in and making sure I sleek it back down, because I sprayed way too much of that mist stuff. But that stuff smells so good, y'all. I wouldn't lie to y'all. That stuff smells so freaking good. So freaking good. Like 1 out of 10, 1,000. Like, that's how good it smells. Like, I'm just gonna be spraying that stuff in my hair just to spray it, because it smells so good. But look, oh my gosh, I'm stuttering y'all. But y'all, look at this. It looks so good. Like, get into how sleek it is. Like, yes, y'all, it looks so good. I started stuttering. Oh my. So let's get into this hair. So like I said, this video is sponsored by Clip Hair. They sent me a 14-inch ponytail, natural black, and this is just what we're getting into now, y'all. I did wear this ponytail before, and this is where the kicker is. I done wore this ponytail about 3 times. I done wore it to the club. I done wore it to my job, which I no longer have. So yeah. So this ponytail is the truth. I done had this ponytail for about 2 months, and I know I'm just now filming the video, but let me tell y'all something. Get it, because most ponytails don't last that long. This ponytail lasts super long, and my hair looks super good. So what I'm doing right now is, one thing I would not do since my hair is thick, how can I explain it? You're basically going to clip the hair onto your rubber bands. So you're going to slide the rubber band onto the clip, and then you're going to clip it in place. So that makes sure that the ponytail not going nowhere, because my hair is thick and I can't really slide it onto the hair. So once you get that on there, the company sent me clip-ins too, y'all. Not clip-ins, but you know the little clips I just put on the hair. This company sent me so many goodies. Thank you so much, Clip Hair, for making me like be able to look like a baddie. But basically, back to the tutorial, what I'm trying to tell y'all. So it's Velcro. You're going to stick it around, and it's going to stick, basically. So your ponytail not going around. They also sent me this heat protectant. Like, y'all, what? Oh, and this is human hair, if y'all didn't know. I don't know if I told y'all, but this is human hair. Nobody want no synthetic blend ponytail. We want human hair ponytail around here. So basically what I'm doing is just going ahead and prepping this hair to wrap around. Now, like I did tell y'all, I already had product in this hair. So when y'all see how I flattened it and it got so stiff like that, it was already product in it. I just went ahead and reinstalled the ponytail to show y'all, like, look, perfect. So now what I'm doing is just wrapping it around, and this is the easiest part, y'all. This is the easy part. Nothing is hard about this style at all. Just make sure you combing it and you making sure that it's gonna be neat. Take your time, because I remember when I first did the ponytail, it took me about a good 3 tries to get it to how I wanted it. So make sure you just take your time. Like, don't be in a rush. And then you're gonna go in with some bobby pins. Now this company sent me bobby pins, but like I told y'all, I already done used the ponytail and installed it. So I'm just redoing it to show y'all guys how I did it and to tell y'all how good the hair held up. So right here, I just went in with some spray, and can y'all see this? Look how seamless that is. This looked like a glue ponytail, but it's not. It's not a glue ponytail at all. So right here, this is how the ponytail looks. And I'm just going through and detangling the hair, because I'm going to go through and put some wand curls in it, because I love a wand curl. Now, the hair came straight, but I did put curls in it. I just think the curls just make it more like, I don't know, it just gives it a little oomph to the look. So I'm just going to shut up so y'all can just watch me, you know, curl this hair. Like a glam from the past. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more with my heart. You think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but you know you can tell me how. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what I've done. We used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You study more and more. I didn't think you ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but you know you can tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me. So this is the final look, as you guys can see. Now look how sleek and neat this looks. It looks like a professional did this. I would not steer y'all wrong. Make sure y'all check out Clip Hair in my description down below, because y'all, I'm definitely feeling myself. I'm finna go out. I'm finna be cute. I'm finna be that girl. Like, what? And I love that this ponytail is reusable. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.